We've already opened, 20 accounts, and there are a lot of walk-ins and a lot of interest and excitement about a dedicated branch. As you already know, this is the first branch of its kind in the banking industry, and we are primarily looking at extending counseling and advisory services to the startups. So already we have started in that direction and organized quite a few events, and there was a lot of interest, and we try to do it on a Saturday when people are relatively free and they can come down and be part of the event. So that is what we have done. We organized a chartered accountant to speak to them, how to set up a company, what are the compliances required. We invited our MD and CEO of SBI Global Factors to talk to them about, factoring of receivables, because basically, they are not really looking at a balance sheet financing. It's the receivables which really matter at this stage. And we also have, interest from various colleges where they are running the incubation centers.
For a startup, if I'm really looking for some sort of an investment, SBI is not really getting into the space of investing in startups, but you said you will facilitate meeting with VCs. On that front, what is happening?
Yes, I'm very happy that, some venture capitalists have in fact expressed interest in getting connected to the startups. And that is really, something very satisfying for all of us. And we are organizing an interaction, and we'll be holding it with.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow, and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.